Welcome to Kerala, God's own country. Neelakurunji flowering season 2018. Ready for a visual treat of a blue floral carpet as far as the eye can see? Then head to Munnar, Kerala and witness the spectacle that happens only once in 12 years. Munnar, one of the most visited tourist destinations in India, will turn into a mountain covered with blue flowers when the Neelakurunji Stribalanthskunthiana flower begins blooming later this month. The rare flower, which grows across the Western Ghats, is found in abundance in the hills of Munnar and blooms once in 12 years, and it is happening now. These flowers bloom after a long wait of 12 years and Munnar is best known for them. These flowers, when in bloom, cover vast areas over hills and the surrounding landscape. There is no better time than this to visit the hill station. Since these unique flowers blossom only once in every 12 years, they draw a huge number of tourists. The next flowering season will be in 2030, and that's a really long wait. In order to bestow your sight on the majestic beauty of the Neelakurunji, make your way to Munnar in 2018 itself. Not only is the multitude of colors in the valley a sight worth seeing, but the hill station in itself has tremendous beauty which is worth feasting your eyes on. The blooming season starts from July and it ends in November and offers a visual extravaganza to everyone. These flowers start flowering during the last phase of monsoon, and by the time the rains recede, the blue flowers cover the entire valley in shades of blue and purple. Though the peak blooming seasons are ideally September and October, July is the best time to visit this place in order to avoid the crowd. Later on, when the flowering season takes on its full glory, a large number of tourists flock down to Munnar to witness its beauty. If you are not deterred by crowd and really wish to plan your visit during peak season, then September and October are the best months. Why book your hotel and tour package to Neelakurunji blooming season 2018 early? Neelakurunji blooming season 2018 is an eagerly awaited one, and every blooming season sees a great number of tourists. Due to the huge influx of tourists, the hotels in Munnar get booked really fast. So, it is advisable that you plan your trip in advance and book your hotel as early as possible. Apart from that, there is limited number of entry tickets to Eravakulam National Park during Neelakurunji season. This is mainly done to protect the biodiversity of the place, and hence strict measures are taken. Hence you need to make haste in securing your entry ticket and booking your tour package early. Start planning your visit to Neelakurunji Bloom 2018. If you are also waiting to see the joyful splendor of this flower covering Munnar in a shade of purplish blue, then waste no time in planning your visit. The Kerala government pulls all stops in promoting this event, and as a result, it pulls in a lot of tourists. Hence, it is advisable that you book your hotel early, as all the resorts in Munnar will be booked way in advance. Also, make sure that you don't delay in making travel arrangements as well. Book your tickets to Munnar early to get good deals, and book your mode of travel, be it bus or car, in advance. Also, plan your visit to the flower-filled valley during the dawn. The entire place looks like a serene paradise during this time, covered in a blanket of mist. The sunrise from here is a beautiful sight, as the first ray of warm sunlight steadily and gently lights up the entire place. The kaleidoscope of colors that the green grassland, the soft trees and the purplish blue Neelakurunji cast is simply magical. Interesting facts about Neelakurunji. Though the species of flower that covers Munnar is blue in color, not all Neelakurunji flowers are not of the same color. There are 250 different species of Kurunji and 46 varieties of Neelakurunji are found in India. It even includes red, maroon flowers. The name Neelakurunji is a Malayalam word which simply means blue flower. The flower has a scientific name, Strobylanthes kunthianus, which comes from river Kunthi that irrigates the grasslands and valleys around. The name Nilgiri literally means blue mountain, and the name comes from blue Neelakurunji flowers that completely cover the mountain in a layer of blue. Honeybees in the area collect nectar from Neelakurunji flowers during the season, and it is believed to be very special. This nectar is supposed to be tastier and nutritious than its regular counterpart. The people who belong to the Palayan of Tamil Nadu use the blossoming cycle of Neelakurunji flowers to calculate their age. Tips for your visit to Neelakurunji blooming season 2018. Visiting a valley filled with flowers obviously means pollens, bees and other insects. In case you are allergic to any of this, take necessary precaution. Make sure you carry anti-allergens and antihistamines with you, and also take vaccine shots before your trip. The beauty of nature is meant to be enjoyed visually without bringing any damage to it. So, when you visit Neelakurunji bloom in Munnar, make sure you do not pick or damage any plant. Disturbing the biodiversity this way can bring upon immediate as well as long-term harm. The government takes serious actions against those who try to vandalize the valley. Nearby attractions. Though the major attraction is going to be Neelakurunji bloom 2018, there are plenty of other places around that are also worth a visit. Munnar is a beautiful destination that can be visited all around the year and is blessed with enormous beauty. You can visit the tea plantations that are enthralling to see and also smell. Take a trek through Anamuti Peak and check out Mattupeti Dam. Be it the Neelakurunji bloom in Munnar or any other gem of Kerala that you are keen to visit, Kerala Holidays has the best packages to make your journey all the more fabulous. Visit God's own country with us and create everlasting memories. Thanking you. Visit my channel.